So I made a big mistake. I'm really happy with myself. It's a big psychological thing. That's why trading, once you find your edge, it doesn't mean you're gonna be profitable straight away. It takes years, and the thing that takes a long time is psychological aspect of trading. So I've been waiting for a trade for a long time. The trade came, I took the trade, and I closed it. What I should have done was just not look at the trade, just leave it, because I wait a long time for my trades. I took a trade, I should have just left it, but I closed it because basically because of the order flow, which confused me. I've seen massive bearish divergences, and I closed it. So I was waiting for a trade. I took this trade. I was waiting for this ABC. So I've got my wave A all the way from out here, grinding down up for the B. This B wasn't really nice B, but it's once we made this here, it was clear to me. Once we get below this point here, what's happening with this ABC? A, B, C. It was clear to me. Once we get below this level, I will take a trade. Now the first take profit area for this trade would be the 618 from the B. So basically here. But I'm not in a trade, so there's no take profit for me. I've made this mistake. I took a trade. I took 2 losses, I think. So 1% each. I was stopped out, yeah. I was stopped out here twice. Anyways, on the third time I was in the trade, happy. First take profit would be, Jesus Christ. So as I said, the first take profit would be percent stop loss. The first take profit would be here, so that's 10%. 10% move. That would be really good. A lot of money in this trade. The major take profit would be here, or new all-time highs, which I don't really expect, but this is the main take profit. So 21%. I looked at the order flow. I've seen some bearish divergences, and I closed it. I'll show you where I closed it on this wick here. What a fucking mistake. What a huge mistake. I'm not gonna make that mistake now for a long time, hopefully, but it's too late now, you know. So what's happening now? I'm looking for this fake out here, or either continuation or a fake out here. You can see my time marker. I was expecting for the 21st of March, but 21st of March we were here. For a rejection on 21st of March, which didn't happen, but I said it could be a week up to the 31st of March. So this is the latest. So what I'm looking for is this, and then this level to hold and go for the ABC, for the bigger ABC, or so it's either this level here or new lows, which would be nicer. And then if we get this again, I would be taking this trade This is a safe option. I will be going for this. Once we get to this trend line, I will be taking this trade whatever happens. Whatever happens, because I'm really happy to buy at this price. This trend line 618. I'm really happy to buy at this price. But what could happen is we could just come down here and then make this ABC and then come down lower. Okay. I will be taking those trades. So what I hope for, I hope we're gonna come down lower. Mainly because because I'm not in a trade, and because I'm trading spot, I'm really my psychology is really down. I'm not in a good mood because I'm not in a trade, and because I would still expect Bitcoin to go push up the fifth wave to 160k or something like there. I want to be in a position. I don't want to be out of the trade if we continue up, because we could just continue up. I don't want to be looking at it and thinking, oh, I've missed on so much money. So obviously this is the point where we change market structure, because we have highs, lows, highs. This is the inside structure, doesn't really matter. So this is a strong high now, strong low. So we are in between, okay? So we either change this market structure, come back for the retest, and then continue up, or we just continue down. So I would be in a trade if we do not reject, we just continue going up to this point, close some candles above, change some market structure. I would be looking for the smaller ABC, and then I would be in a trade for the continuation up. This would be quite bullish if we continue to the upside now. So that's the ABC stuff. Once we lose this trend line, I'm gonna be really happy, because that means I'll get into a trade. If I was in a trade, I would be closing my trade at the entry. So that means I would be holding this trade. Even if we come down here, I would be holding it. If I was a bit more, if I was to trade, I would keep this long trade, and I would take a short once we break this trend line. Change this market structure. You can see it's marked here. Once we change this market structure, lose this trend line, I would be in a short here. Okay, trying to explain this one. Okay, on the higher time frame, there's no sign of any bullishness yet. Just to be clear on this. Okay, we could be in a bear market, just so you understand. But we don't know, and we will not know until it's too late for some, basically. Not for me, because I wouldn't be holding my trade. I wouldn't be holding my bag. Stay like that. Monthly time frame. I would still like to see us hit this green trend line. As you can see, it worked perfectly, and every time we finish the bull market, I would like to see that. Same goes for the end of the bear market and for the beginning of the bull market. Every time on the monthly time frame, RSI hit this trend line, We got a bounce. Okay. So that's the monthly time frame. And a weekly time frame. Yeah, there's still no sign of any bullish bullish news. So this is the level to be retested. So we could get a little bit lower. I would love that. I would love that. The reason I closed that trade, seeing those divergences, I thought I'm gonna save a couple of percent. I'm gonna make a percent of profit, which I have made, but after all, I lost on potential 10%, 20%. So I'm still looking for this level. That's why I thought, oh, we might come down now, you know. I'm still looking for this level. There's going to be a lot of shorts here opening. And I would take this trend line, break the trend line, and continue up till September, October, yeah, as far as we can go. And then break the trend line, and it's over. Yeah. As of right now, still need to see some sign of strength. Sign of strength. And let's have a look at the bull market support band. We are below, so a little bit more up, and then hopefully down. This is the level to look for a bounce, which we could just test it again. We test it twice here. Why not test it again? $65. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Okay, so on a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, again, this is a, well, in a bear market, this is bearish pattern. Okay, you can check it yourself. You can see it yourself. It's an ending diagonal, sort of. They tend to break down. Okay, same here. An ending diagonal. In a bear market, these tend to break the downside. In a bull market, you usually get this structure. It's kind of coming down, breaks the trend line. This was a nice ABC. Breaks the trend line, continuation up. Okay. Plenty of those there. Coming down, up. Down, up, down, up. Until we change the market structure. Retest into 618. Continuation now. Down, up, down, up. This is a bear market. So are we in a bear market now, or are we still in a bull market? Down, up, down, up. But would like us to come down a little bit, man. Come on, please. Because I'm gonna have to be buying after we get above this, change the market structure in a higher time frame. We come down for a retest and then continue up. I would rather us come down now. Fuck's sake. And again, so as you can see, down, up. Little bit of a, yeah, I want to see a lot of longs coming in at this. We are at resistance now, so we're looking to take these highs here and fail. Is it those highs? No, I think it's those highs here. And looking at these highs here, 88,750. Is it 88? Yeah, these highs here. Looking for those highs and down. That would be ideal for me. I would like to see a lot of longs coming in. So you can see people are shorting. The price was going up. But now there's some longs coming in. A lot of longs. I would like to see this line, CVD line, going to the highs as much as possible, so that people are longing into this resistance and the price starts going down. I would love to see that, but this is just me. You can see some sign of there was a lot of shorts, and now suddenly a lot of longs opening, massive longs. You can't see them here, but I can see this CVD going up. So longs coming into the market. I would like for them to be stopped out so I can get on retracement. Anything here? 92,465. Daily MPOC, weekly MPOC 92,434,6,485. So 92,485. So this level here. Check if there is any daily. We've got this daily here. This one here as well. But this one was tested already. This one wasn't. I just like them marked like that because I don't want to see any of those lines here on my charts. So maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. This point of control. That means we are getting back into this value area. Usually if you get into the area, you get to the point of control, retest, and you can continue to the value area high, which would be really bad for me. Yeah. Anyways, I would love to see a drop. So the levels I would be interested in is this, and this for the short. This for the long. So those are the levels I would be interested in trading. Do we have any 618? as of right now. Yeah. Again, this 786 would be, yeah, that's 79k, 80k, 80, 81. I would be interested in that level. I would like to see this range to continue. You know? Something like that. This is the range. Yeah. So that's about it for now. There's nothing new here. That's it from me for today. I'll come back with the updates. I will come back with the update in a good mood. If we drop, I'll be the happiest person ever. Alright then. Take care.